Hi folks, it's Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in with another great review. This is from Sonos. You've probably heard of them. They make all sorts of different variety of speakers that can kind of be their own sort of ecosystem and talk to each other and communicate. And of course, you can put these all around your house and be able to, run music either all through your house or in different rooms the way you want them, et cetera, et cetera. They're kind of a name brand for this sort of thing and people that pioneered it. You go to Sonos.com to check this out. This is the One SL unit they sent us. It comes in two different colors, both either white or black, and pretty interesting. It's a microphone-free speaker, so if you're kind of concerned about your privacy with some of those other speakers that are out on the marketplace, this can do that for you. And you can control it with the Sonos app. You can control it with Apple AirPlay 2, and pretty neat. You can put them all throughout your house. You can either pair them all up with other Sonos speakers or just have them operate individually. You can stream the sound directly from your iPhone or iPad, ask Siri to play Apple Music if you're using the AirPlay 2, or you can do it through your you can control it through the app with your Android phone. It's got stereo sound with two of them, so you can buy two of these to get kind of a stereo thing. It also teams up with their Play Bar, Play Bass, or Beam, so you can pair it up with that. The speakers have two Class D digital amplifiers, perfectly tuned to match the speaker drivers and acoustic architecture. One tweeter creates a crisp, clear, high-frequency response. One midwoofer ensures you'll hear the faithful playback of mid-range vocal frequencies plus deep, rich bass, and it's got adjustable bass and treble controls that let you customize your sound by individual room or group of rooms. How about them apples? Beautiful finish. It does look nice. I got to tell you, it's a beautiful either white or black matte grill, and the top panel features, it's got capacitive touch controls for volume up, volume down, previous and next track, play, pause, and LED status light. Weighs a mere 4.08 pounds. Does pretty good that way. Power and networking, it's got an Ethernet port for 10100 Mbps, but technically you can run Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth. So it connects to your Wi-Fi network at 2.4 gigahertz. And of course, you can do it Apple AirPlay 2, and you've got the power supply that you plug in there to rock and roll. I got to tell you, I'm really impressed with it. It's got humidity resistance as well. I should probably point that out. So if you want to put this in your bathroom so you can listen to some good tunes while you're in the shower or sitting in the bathtub, that might work well. It's got automatic software updates, so you can do that also. I got to tell you, the sound was really good with it. We were fairly impressed with it. I did notice our Harman Kardon Citation 1 actually sounded better. Just a lot more sound, but the Harman Kardon doesn't have an app and doesn't have different ways to take and pair it up with all sorts of other ones. But I was surprised the sound wasn't quite as good as I thought it would be, but this is kind of more one of the base models. So I think if you move up to the bigger models, or you get the the bigger thing that you can have that will give you that deep bass, the subwoofer. That's the word I'm looking for. You can check that out as well. Anyway, guys, I recommend Sonos. They're pretty good. They've recently had a dust up with their PR and moonlighting or sunsetting different speakers they take and had. I'm sure they'll work it out. They always seem to be a good company that cares about their customers, so whatever the kerfuffle is, I'm sure they'll be fine, and I'm sure it's always going to be a good product and a good company. So check it out. You can go to Sonos.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. We'll see you next time.